If you're a student in 2025, you're lucky, because AI is your secret weapon. From writing essays to passing exams, today's AI tools can save you hours of work and boost your grades for free. But in this video, I'll show you the 5 best AI tools every student should be using, and exactly how to use them. First up, Notion AI. Think of it as your all-in-one smart notebook. You can summarize long lecture notes, generate ideas for essays, and even create study plans all in one workspace. Just type a command like summarize this text and let it do the rest. It's fast, clean, and totally student-friendly. Number 2, Grammarly. This AI tool checks your grammar, fixes awkward sentences, and makes your writing sound smarter. It's perfect for polishing up essays or writing formal emails to professors. And yes, the free version is powerful enough for most students. Third on the list, Perplexity AI. It's like Google with a brain. Ask it any academic question and it gives you instant answers with sources. Need to research a topic fast? This is your go-to AI search engine. Way faster than scrolling through 10 websites. Next, Quizlet AI. You've probably used Quizlet before, but the new AI features are a game changer. It now creates flashcards and practice tests automatically based on your class material. Study smarter, not harder. And finally, SciSpace. Ever opened a scientific article and thought, what does this even mean? SciSpace breaks down complex academic papers into plain English. It's perfect for science, engineering, or any subject with heavy research. And there you go, 5 free and powerful AI tools that every student should be using in 2025. These tools can help you study faster, write better, and get ahead without burning out. Like this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe for more AI tools, study hacks, and productivity tips. Got a favorite AI tool? Drop it in the comments below.